Use the following tips to manage your snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Avoid drinking alcohol within 5 hours of bedtime. Alcohol, along with other sedative drugs, causes the muscles at the back of the throat to relax. When these muscles relax, you are more apt to snore. Stay away from those nightcaps. You may actually sleep more soundly if you do not drink before bed. Unstop your nose to quit snoring. Snoring can be an embarrassing problem. It can relate to a number of factors, not the least of which is nasal congestion. One way to address snoring is to talk to your doctor about decongestants. These medications can be a very effective remedy not just for the embarrassment of snoring but also for the underlying condition. Avoid the consumption of alcohol before you go to bed in order to refrain from snoring. Because alcohol can relax the throat muscles, they may vibrate as air passes and cause snoring to occur. Allow several hours to pass after your last alcoholic beverage before you go to sleep to minimize or eliminate snoring. Many throat exercises are out there that will help you strengthen your throat and stop snoring. One of these is to hold your mouth open, and then slide your jaw to the right. Hold it in place for 30 seconds. Then repeat by pushing your jaw to the left side and holding for 30 seconds. Stronger muscles mean less snoring. Lose as much excess weight as possible. Extra weight does not just show up in your thighs, it can make your throat narrower. This can cause snoring and sleep apnea. Even a 10-pound loss can help open up the passageway in your throat. The more wide open it is, the better you will sleep. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.